Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's off-page SEO video, I'd like to show you how you can create 6 links on .gov, .edu, and even IBM. Now, before I get into this video, this is going to be what we're going to be doing, and this really sums it up. False redirects are another black hat trick used to mislead audiences and search engines. A redirect link is set up that leads users and search engines to a different page. Alternatively, a high-quality page is redirected to a low-quality page to boost the low-quality page's search rankings. So let's not waste any time. And this link building guide is also a test. What I'm going to do is we're going to build them briefly together. I'll show you how to create these types of links. What we're going to do is we're going to then put them onto a doc. I'll get them indexed. And then over the next week or 2 weeks or so, we're going to see if they get indexed. We'll see if they're passing power because I'm going to send them to a page that is getting 0 links. Be here. And again, I will share these links with you as we go. I'll put them onto a doc. So let's just jump right over here. We're going to go on to here. We're going to open it up. Now, I am using a VPN. I'm using a NordVPN. If you're interested in NordVPNs, 1 year, $20. Ask in the comments below. So let's just keep going here. So as you can see here, we have a FCC link now right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab this. We're going to copy it. And we're going to, all right. So as you can see here. So let's go ahead and get into the very next link here. All right, so this was the FCC link. Now let's move on to our next type, and this is one of the most common ways to generate a link, but see, this particular site on Wiki was being a little bit sneaky, so I had to get a little bit sneakier, so here's what we did. I'll give you this initial URL, and then what's going to happen is it's going to say, did you mean? And then when you click on this, it's literally going to take you to a page. Then now the page has been created. All right. So this is a wiki. As you can see here, where we have a link, and then it's actually going to send us over. So I'll go ahead and give you that one now too. I'm showing you how to create these links. I'm giving you these redirect strings so you can go out and create some of these yourself if you're so inclined. Along with that, we're testing to see if these stick, and if they do, which kind are actually sticking. Now, you don't have to just create one. You can create multiples. So here we go. Now, this right here is a different kind of redirect string. Different sites handle the redirects a different way. So I'm giving you multiple ways. I have a list of them, but I'm giving you the few that I have here on ways that you can create redirects. This is a very general one. Right here, exit.asp URL equals, and then you can put your website. All right, that's this one right here. So this is going to be another way to put in a parameter. Anytime you see these question marks within, these are different types of parameters. Now I want to go ahead and change this. Let's see if we can get that in there. Yep, as you can see here. So here's another one that we've created. Then what we're going to do is we're going to bring it over here. So we have 3 more. This particular parameter, this redirect parameter, was very fun here as you take a look. URL status go.html. All right, so as you can see here, we have another one here. So this is on Bureau of Transportation. We've created one. All right, just moving down the list. And again, I'm giving you all of these in the video inside of the comments if anybody asks. All right, so we'll do the next link. So this is Pandora. So we have Pandora. And this is the next one. So here we go, as you can see here, and it takes us right over to the site. And I don't have any links on that page, so I'm just seeing exactly how these work out. So that's been added here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, but really the objective here is to give everybody the parameters so you can get out and really start trying these parameters out, trying out these redirects. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tweet that out. So now we have the URL tweeted out. I'm also going to run this through an indexer. I'm just going to go ahead and give them that doc file. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about link building, off-page SEO, redirect links, black hat SEO, gray hat SEO, really anything off-page SEO, link building, or building backlinks, always feel free to go ahead and ask in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next off-page SEO link building video. Have a wonderful day.
Perfect.